Hello, dear students. A very good day to you all. I hope and believe that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty because you are staying home and maintaining health rules. So, welcome you all to online class. I am Richard Gomez. I'll take English first paper of class 9 today. Today, we'll discuss matching a sentence part of 3 columns, information transfer, and summary. Matching is a different question, and information, this is question number 6, and information transfer and summary, this is 4 and 5 from the same passage. So there will be passage, unseen passage given, and on basis of that passage there will be an information transfer table, and there will also be the summary writing. So you have to know how to write all these things. So first of all, I have given here a question. Number 1, match the parts of the sentences given in column A, B and C to write 5 complete sentences. 5 sentences, 5 marks. In your quiz exam, you will also have matching, but there will be one part will be given and another part there will be option for another part. 4 options will be there. You have to complete the sentence as matching. Actually, in this way, in your quiz the question will come. So here column A, addiction to mobile browsing, even they, thus they, using mobile phones, the young people. And column B, are by young kids makes, has, invest, are. And column C, the main part of the sentence, disobeying some things, creating violation with parents, their valuable time on playing games on mobile phones, becoming addicted to this device, them inactive to their studies, reached a new height among young generation. This is a very common thing, mobile using of mobiles. The young people, the young children are using it and they are wasting their valuable times. So you should have the control over this using mobile phone. To make the correct sentence, you got to know the pattern of the sentence. That is, after subject there is verb, and according to verb the rest of the predicate part will come. So you have to match the meaning, and also you have to see the construction of the sentence, how it will come. If you have the knowledge of the construction of the sentence, how a sentence is constructed, then automatically you can do it in a right way. So here I am giving you the answers. Answer to the question number 1. First of all, you have to write the numbers. Though in the question there is no number, but think in column A, the first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In B and C, the similar way. So whenever you are writing the answers, first of all, give the numbers. That is 1 plus 3 plus V. That is from column A, the first sentence, column first part, the column B, third part, that is third sentence part, and from column C, fifth sentence part. That is, addiction to mobile browsing has reached a new height among young generation. Second one, 4 plus 2 plus 4, using mobile phones by young kids makes them inattentive to their studies. Number 3, 5 plus 4 plus 2, the young people invest their valuable time on playing games on mobile phones. Number 4, 2 plus 1 plus 1, even they are disobeying some things, creating violation with parents. And last one, 3 plus 5 plus 3, thus they are becoming addicted to this device. In this matching, sometimes more than for few sentences, 2 or 3 sentences, another option may come. So in that case you should be very careful, because if you use one part, then you cannot use that part in another sentence. So which one is most appropriate, you should be very careful about that. And in this way you have to construct the sentences and write the whole sentence with the beginning of the numbers first. So this is all about number 6 question of your question pattern. I have set it as number 1. Now the second question, that is number 4 and 5, that is 2 and 3 I have given here. There is an unseen passage. On basis of this passage there will be fill up the blanks, that is table, that is information transfer. 5 gaps, 5 marks, and after that you have to summarize the passage and there will be 10 marks. So it will be a thing that you should learn, because in summary there are some points you should remember it. I'll explain it later. First of all, I like to read the passage for you. The Nobel Prize is the world's most prestigious and important prize. It has been given since 1901. This prize is given to persons with outstanding contributions to physics, chemistry, literature, medicine, peace, and economics. Economics was added to the list in 1969 for the first time. The Nobel Prize was instituted by a man who was the inventor of dynamite. This scientist was Alfred Bernard Nobel. He was born in Stockholm, Sweden on October 21st, 1833, and he died in 1896. Though he was a citizen of Sweden, he was educated in Russia. He earned a huge sum of money by selling dynamite. At the time of his death in 1896, Nobel left behind a huge amount of money. He also left a will indicating that the interest on this money should be given as prizes to persons for their outstanding contributions to physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, and peace. This prize was named as Nobel Prize. The first Nobel Prize was given to Rontgen on December 1901 for his inventing X-rays. So this is the passage. So on this passage, the first question comes as number 4. Here I have given number 2. Complete the table below with information from the above passage. That is, you have to transfer the information from the passage to the table. So the table, you can see history of Nobel Prize. First of all, it is who, what, then event, then place, then time or year, then contribution, then area or field. Different sector, different columns can be here. It may be 4 columns or 5 columns. Here it is 6 columns are here, and automatically there will be 5 gaps. Maybe in one row there will be 2 gaps, otherwise in 4 rows 4 gaps. So you have to fill it up. So here I am going to for the answers. If I say the first one, the Nobel Prize, the most prestigious and important prize, place in the world. That is, in the world it is the most prestigious prize. Okay, so the correct answer for number 1, in the world. Second one, Nobel Prize is awarded every year dash area or field. In which field? That is physics, chemistry, literature, medicine, peace, and economics. Economics was added later on. So these 6 fields: physics, chemistry, literature, medicine, peace, and economics. Third one, dash, that is who or what was given the first Nobel Prize. Time 1901, and contribution invention of X-rays. That is very easy, Rontgen. Number 3 is Rontgen. Number 4, economics added to the list dash, that is time or year, that is in 1969. And last one, Alfred Nobel was educated place dash in Russia. So this way you have to write the answer to the question number 2, in the number 1, in the world, number 2, physics, chemistry, literature, medicine, peace, and economics. Number 3, John to Jen. And number 4, in 1969. Last one, number 5, in Russia. So here I have written the text again for your better understanding. Read the following passage and answer the question 2 and 3. That is, in this part you have to summarize the passage. Few things to be remembered. You have to be very careful about writing a summary. That is, first of all, you should write 1/3 of the passage. The passage is given. You should calculate the 1/3 portion of the passage. So you should not write more than that or less than that. Sometimes we think if you write more in a summary, then it would be better to get good marks, but it's not done. That is, it's a summary, the main gist of the passage. So 1/3 of the passage should be there, and you should underline some main points of the passage. That is, you can get 3, 4, or 5 main points, and you should focus on that. And you have to write in your own ways also. Don't copy the sentences from the passage, then it will not bring you good marks. So this is the passage. I will not read the passage again. I'm just going to the summary here. Answer the question number 3, summary. So here, Nobel Prize, the world's most prestigious and important prize, was instituted by Alfred Bernard Nobel, the inventor of dynamite. That is, here who introduced Nobel Prize and why he was so famous. How did he got the money? He was the inventor of dynamite. We can start with this. Then he directed that the amount of money that he would get as interest on the money he earned by selling dynamite should be given as prizes to persons for their outstanding contribution to physics, chemistry, literature, medicine, and peace. These 5 were the first to give the Nobel Prize on these 5 fields, but economics was added later. These are all very important points from the passage, so you should include it. The Nobel Prize was named after his name. The prize has immortalized him. So this way the main points are written here in the summary. This way you have to write a summary, that is 1/3 of the passage, and the main points you should write it in your own way. So until next class, goodbye. Stay home and be safe. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you all.